Hi guys, my name is Marcela and today I want to show you how to clean your sink and also the food triturator that is inside the sink. A while back I showed you how to clean and disinfect your sink, but today I want to show you two different methods, and also I want to show you how to clean and disinfect the food triturator. Not all of the sinks have this food triturator. Actually, mine doesn't have it. So today we're going to work in a different location, so I have the opportunity to show it to you and teach you how to do it. So our first method is going to be the traditional baking soda and vinegar. First thing we're going to do is to put generously baking soda. This is going to help you not only to scrub but also disinfect and get rid of any odors. And then we're gonna add the vinegar, and the vinegar is going to start to fizz once it gets together with the baking soda, so you'll see the reaction. We're going to leave it like that for a few minutes, and then we're going to start scrubbing. I'm going to add a little more of baking soda so we have enough to scrub. Once we let it sit for a few minutes, then we start scrubbing. And it is very important that we scrub on the same line of the grain of the stainless steel. So usually the base is on a vertical line, and the sides or the walls of the sink, they're usually on a horizontal line. We'll do the cover with the same paste. Into all those little crevices where the sponge cannot reach, we can use a toothbrush. This is a special brush for cleaning, but you can also use a regular toothbrush and it's going to work just as well. And we use that for the crevices and the little areas where the sponge cannot reach. And we're going to use the same brush for the inside, not all the way inside, but all the way around. And now we're going to rinse it. And once we rinsed it with hot water from the pipe, we're going to use the water as high as we can. Then we're going to rinse it again with hot boiling water. So now we're going to use again the baking soda. We're going to sprinkle baking soda on the sink, and we're going to use, instead of the vinegar, we're going to use now lemon. We're going to use this. First we're going to squeeze it on the sink, and then we're going to use the same remaining lemon as a scrubber or as a sponge. And as you can see, it also starts fizzing because the reaction of the acid in the lemon with the baking soda is going to start fizzing. And now we're going to put hot water on the hot cycle so we can get rid of all the excess of the paste that we created with the lemon and the baking soda. And then we're gonna add the hot boiling water so we can get rid of every little germ that is still might be there. And don't forget the bottom of the faucet, because it also gets dirty and it creates bacteria. So what you have to do is sprinkle a little bit of baking soda here and start brushing with the cleaning brush or the toothbrush around all crevices. And once you get rid of the most dirt possible, then we're gonna leave it soaking in vinegar for a few minutes. And as you can see, when it starts fizzing, the reaction with the baking soda and the vinegar, then all the dirt starts coming out. And the same lemon that we just used to clean the sink, we're gonna reuse it and we're gonna clean and disinfect inside the refrigerator of the food. And together with the lemon, we are also going to add some ice. And these two things combined are not only going to help us to get rid of the odor and disinfect inside the garbage disposal, but the ice is also going to help us to sharpen the knives that are inside. Something that is very important for you to keep in mind is that if for some reason you drop something inside the hole by accident, let's say you drop the brush or a sponge or whatever, do not try to get it with your hands, because that is very, very dangerous. You might turn on the system inside that is used to actually triturate or like to disintegrate the food that you put inside. So if you drop something by accident, then don't use your hands. Try to get something like this so you can actually grab whatever fell inside. And that's it. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with all your friends. And I will see you very soon with another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.